In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum children in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to roll up values from indented rows into a clean total on the parent row using one simple formula, and you'll understand how to fix the most common error that pops up along the way. Start by heading to the home area in Smartsheet and opening the sheet where you're tracking your items. Locate the section where you have a parent row with several related rows listed directly beneath it. Click into the empty cell on the parent row in the column where you want the total to appear. This parent cell is where the calculation will live and where the sum of all the children will display. Now, enter the formula, type an equal sign, then sum, and open parenthesis, the word children, and a closing parenthesis. In other words, you're aiming for sum children. If you see an unparsable error at this point, don't worry. That error usually happens for one of two reasons. Either the rows below aren't truly set as children yet, or the children function isn't written with its own parentheses. Both are easy to correct. First, confirm the hierarchy. Select the rows you want included in the roll-up from top to bottom, then click the indent button on the right side of the toolbar. You'll see the rows shift slightly to the right and a small hierarchy indicator appear. That visual change confirms they're nested under the parent. This hierarchy is essential because the children function only references the indented rows directly under the parent, not grandchildren or unrelated rows. Next, return to the parent cell with the formula. Double-click to edit it and make sure it reads exactly sum children. Those parentheses after children are critical. They tell Smartsheet to gather all immediate child rows for the calculation. Press Enter to apply the formula. You should now see the total of all child values on the parent row. From here on out, the sum updates automatically whenever you change a child value, add a new child, or remove one. If the total still doesn't look right, double check that the entries in the child rows are numeric rather than stored as text, and confirm you're working in a text number column so Smartsheet can calculate properly. And that's it. You opened your sheet, clicked the parent cell, entered the sum with the children function, fixed the unparsable